Come sir, give me a hand.
थैंक यू सर. सर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. सर कैसा लग रहा है आपको ट्रैक करके? मज़ा आ रहा है?
ट्रैक करके तो काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा है. वैसे पुराने दिन याद आ रहे हैं.
पुराने दिन याद आ रहे हैं.
हाँ.
व्हाट्स योर एज?
Now my age is 64 is running.
64 रनिंग.
Yes.
एंड यू आर सो मच एक्टिव कि सर हम शर्मा जा रहे हैं आपके सामने. आप एकदम, मैंने देखा सर आपको ट्रैक करते हुए, आप उसका मज़ा ले रहे थे. आप रास्ते में सबसे आगे जा रहे थे. आपने रास्ते क्लियर करे हैं. लीचेस के लिए सबसे आपने पहले हेड्स ऑन दे दिया, सभी को वार्निंग्स दे दी. सर क्या आपको मतलब सबसे खास बात लग रही है इस ट्रैक की?
खास बात तो ये है, मेरे लिए तो खास बात ये है कि मैं इतने हाई एल्टीट्यूड पे कभी आया नहीं. दिस इज फर्स्ट टाइम.
जी.
नो डाउट ट्रैकिंग इज डन most of the time, but that was the height is not too much, hardly about 100-200 feet.
Achha.
Not more than that, but this is the too high.
अच्छा.
So this is my first experience for trekking experience, means for the high altitude.
Okay.
So I feeling better, but actually in my mind earlier I set up, I have to complete it. What the course is given to me, that should be completed. So because it is set up in the mind, so I am not feeling any negative attitudes. So I am taking all the things very easy, and I am happy that what you are saying, whether it is correct or not, I don't know, but I am happy that you are taking that still I am fit. So it is
Sir,
to
you are
hear,
actually fit.
happy to hear it.
Sir, you are doing a very commendable job till now. And let me tell you all that Marcus sir was one report. It showed he was suffering from hypoglycemia. So at the team ATFS is ensuring that he doesn't feel any kind of symptoms during the trek. So we are regularly checking his BP, his blood sugar, and he has not seen any kind of symptoms yet. And he's also hey.
Sit down.
So this trek is not only for the recreational purposes, it is also for the medical purposes, and Marcus sir is absolutely picture perfect. Blood markers, CBG level, blood pressure values, and everything are every appropriate values are there. So again, coming to you, Marcus sir.
Yes.
So what are you feeling? Like people should do more treks like this or not?
So exercise is a very essential thing in the life, but that is depend on the individuality, and the tracking is also one of the different item. So it may not be helpful for all the people, but it is good for the people that they should, if they should regularly do it. So it will be helpful for their fitness management.
So the last time, the day one, you were encountered with the leeches. Leeches were there, and leeches sucked like some of your blood. Can you tell me about your recovery? And I will tell the physiology about it.
Okay, after the sucking of the blood by the leeches, just when I got see that, I little bit fear, little bit fear. But after time, it's okay. I forgot all the things.
This is happens when leeches comes to you. They provoke a local vasodilatory effect due to increase in histamine level, as well as if you will see during the walking, his parasympathetic tone is so good that he didn't feel any kind of discomfort, and he was brave also. He not only removed the leeches from his body, but he also removed the leeches from his body also. He was also having a full body full of leeches. Marcus sir carefully observed every leeches in his body. So it also tells that he has a very golden heart. And sir, we are very much honored to have you on board on ATFS. Sir, final word for ATFS and what we are doing.
I didn't get you.
Sir, final words for us, that what we are doing and how we are changing lives.
Before that, I should tell you that you might have been knowing. Basically, I am a sports person.
Yes, sir.
Then next is my profession is a sports and physical education.
Yes, sir.
And around 20 years, I regularly took the camps for my students.
Okay.
So it has got a habitat. But at this high altitude, what you are doing, it is good things. You should continue it, and you should take more peoples to whom you know, so that they should get ideas about the fitness about at a high altitude. That I can say. So all the best for all the things, future things.
Yes, sir.
And I hope that what I experience you and see you, that you are a very generous person, and always taking talking about the medicine and medically factors to the other people. That is good thing, because I know the doctors are very professional.
Yes, sir.
Without money they won't tell anything, but I didn't see that. So
Thank
it
you.
is happy to see that, and I should say that you may continue that if you don't take that as a profession.
Thank you, sir. I'm truly obliged, sir. I'm very much, I'm really obliged, and thank you for your kind words. Thank you for joining ATFS, sir.
So I also thanks you
Acha.
to allow me to join your company.